Lee, don't know about you, but I thought you deserved something from that game.
Yeah, absolutely. I think half-time, it'll be 2-1 down, and obviously Colwyn Bay scored 2 late on, but thought we thoroughly deserved to be in the game and certainly level at half-time. I'm really disappointed not to get nothing.
When you were 1-up, if that second had gone in, it would have been a totally different game.
Yeah, I thought Brown kept us out. He made a couple of good saves, a couple of missed opportunities as well. But yeah, I thought we were excellent to a man in the first half, but it's not good enough. You know, we've lost 3-1 on the road, so it doesn't matter what the performance was like. We've got no points.
Mike, after last week, it was important that you go back to winning ways, and you did that.
Yeah, that was the most important thing today, was the result. Almost taking last week as a little bit of a blip and moving on as soon as we could. I actually thought that we took a while to get into that game today as well, which is understandable because we did get rocked last week a little bit, and probably the scoreline didn't reflect how we played for the first 20 minutes, but over the 90 minutes last week it did reflect it, so it was important that we put that right today.
I don't know if you've seen Matty Chubb's goal for Cardiff Met. Yours isn't too far away from that one. Take us through it.
I don't know about that. I did see that goal and it was a lot better than that one today. It was just a long free kick into the box. Obviously the keeper's come out to punch it, and I was filling in for Jay Owen today, so channeling me in a Jay Owen, just thought I'd try and hook it back in. And thankfully it's landed in the net, so yeah, we take it.
Was it you tried to do it, did you?
Yeah, it was obviously you saw the keeper off his line, and I was just aimed towards the goal and hope for the best early, and thankfully it landed in the net, so we'll take it.
It's halfway through the season. How do you assess things so far?
Disappointing. You know, we know this league is so competitive, and I think it's going to be 30 plus points this year to stay up, and we've got a long way to get to there. You know, we need 8 or 9 wins on the basis of that to stay up this year, which is going to be very difficult, but we're going to give it everything we can. Difficult journey, we're playing against good sides week in, week out, and you don't get nothing for free in the Welsh Premier League.